Hey guys, it's Matt here from Automotive Superstore, and today I've got with me the Kenwood DDX9020DABS. Now this unit you can see here features the 6.8-inch HD capacitive touchscreen display, and being a DDX model, it also features the CD and DVD receiver. Now we've got it hooked up here to a wireless Apple CarPlay, as I'll show you here, but also is able to be used with Android Auto. And obviously you've got all your apps here. We'll just set it up on Waze. Now this unit here also has dual phone Bluetooth connection, so you can have two phones connected at one time. And with all the HD models on the lineup, also the 3 RCA high volt outputs are gold plated. Now this one here has a dual USB 1.5 amp charging port and triple camera inputs as well, as I'll show you here. That you can get to the setup of it just in through the menu. And obviously you can see your 3 inputs there. Now the great upgrade that these HD screen units also receive is the HD front and rear camera compatibility. As you can see here down there, you can toggle it on and off, and is also able to be used with the Kenwood dash cam as well. As with all the Kenwood units, it also features the nav port, which you can use any third-party navigation software. This unit's also able to be used with the Kenwood DRV-N520 dash cam, and a great leading model from Kenwood.